Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. As you all know that we were at exercise 3.2 and we have done question number 1. So now move to question number 2. If log of 31.09 is equals to 1.4926, then find the values of the following. You can see here that 3.109, 310.9, log of 0.003109, log of 0.3109. You can see there are the same numbers 3109, but these are different from each other by putting of point. So now he told us the log of 31.09 and that is 1.426. Now we will determine the log of the following four parts. For this, kindly open your notebooks, write down the question, draw margin lines and mention the date at the top. So now here in this question, find the log of 3.109. So at first we will write its characters. Its characteristics will be, character will be 0 because there is only one digit before point. And now we will determine its mantissa. Its mantissa is equals to, you can see that there is 10 and 9. So at first we will determine its mantissa. You will see 310. You can see that first three digits are 310. You will check the 31st row and column 0 at log table. Here you can see that 31st row and 0 column. This will be your column and this will be your row. So answer is 4, 9. So you will check the log table, 0 column and 31st row. You will get 4914. You will write here 4914 and you can see that the next digit is 9. Now you will check the mean difference column of 9 and row of 31. So 31 row and mean difference column is 9. There is 12. There is 12. You will add this 12 in the log value. So you get 4926 and this is yours mantissa. Now you will write the log in such a way that log of 3.109 is character is 0, 0.4926. Now move to second part of this question. Log of 310.9, characteristics is 0. As you can see that there are 3 digits, so character will be 2 and mantissa is 4926 as we have determined in this question here. So mantissa is 4926. So log of 310.9 is equals to 2.4926. The value of mantissa will be remains constant in all questions while character will change in all parts. Log of 0.003109. So character will be minus 3. You will write it as 3 and bar at the top. So mantissa will be constant as we have determined in first part 4926 and character will be minus 3 because we will take point from here and we will put between 3 and 1. So how many digits will add? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits, so mantissa will be 3. So log of 0.003109 is minus 3.4926. Here the last part of this question is 0.3109. Its character will be minus 1. When we put point between 3.1, so there are 0, 3, 2 digits, so character will be 1 and mantissa is 4926 as we have determined earlier. So log of 0.3109 is equals to minus 1.4926. You can see that in all questions there are the same figures, but the position of point is changed in all questions. Due to position of points or character is changed in all questions, while mantissa is constant in all parts. So kindly write down these questions. I'll send you in the PDF form, and learn these questions by heart and do practice as well. You should learn that how to check table of log. Thank you.